Friends and students, today we will see a different concept about the Nobel Prizes. Whatever Nobel Prizes given in the last 4 years in the branch of physics, physiology, and chemistry, that research are, if we see, are based on pure Indian Vedas and literature. How? What is the relation for that? Let us see, and I will illustrate. Nobel Prizes in the science are given for such research which are path-breaking and pioneer research for the further scientific studies in the branches like physics, chemistry, physiology, medicine, and the especially that is awarded to life sciences for the physiology, basic science, physics, chemistry, and presently mathematics and economics, etc. But the 4 years research, if we see, and the Nobel Prizes in these fields, suppose three important fields: physics, physiology, and chemistry, from 2018 to 21, in which fields the Nobel Prizes are awarded and given by the Swedish societies or Royal Societies, that are awarded for physics in gravitational waves, for the dark matter research, black hole research, or climate change research. In the physiology, for biological clock in the body, mimicking genes in the cells, and hepatitis C virus research. And presently in 2021, temperature and touch receptors in the body, physiology, Nobel Prize is awarded. And in the chemistry research for fluorescence, molecular fluorescence, light emitting molecules, freezer drying and imaging techniques, cavity down spectroscopy, and CRISPR Cas9 technique used for the gene silencing, gene research in the chemistry, DNA level research in the cells for biomolecules. And presently in the chemistry, Nobel Prize awarded to organic asymmetric catalysis from the organic synthesis that is applied for the production of on synthesis of new drugs, novel drugs. So if we see towards all types of this research in the physics, physiology, or chemistry, in the basic and important technological sciences, if we see that researchers in the recent 4 years for which Nobel Prizes are awarded, that are based on our pure four Vedas of the Indian literature, ancient Indian literature. Four Vedas are there like Rigved, Yajurved, Atharved, and majorly in that based Ayurveda is also there, product of that Vedas. And Ayurveda is the combination of the physiology, chemistry, and the biology. And there are 18 Puranas given in our Indian literature, old literature. Recent studies have elaborated that. So, four Vedas and 18 Puranas that are given by divine powers in the Indias and that are used thousands of years in the Indian literature by our ancestors for this research in Indian Ayurveda or Indian ancient technology that were used in the historical evidences. So, if we see what is the origin of this Indian literature that is based on Vedas and Puranas, all types of the research are taking in the form of these sciences, and for that Nobel Prizes are getting. Means if what is the interlinking, gravitational waves, black hole, and climate change already mentioned in our Vedas, biological clock of the body, and if any virus has its various forms, or whatever touch and temperature receptors, for that receptors some slokas are given in our Puranas. And fluorescence, that type of the molecules, bioluminescent molecules, freeze dyeing techniques, or gene silencing techniques, and asymmetric synthesis of the molecules for that drug design, all that techniques are especially mentioned in our Ayurveda. But no tool is there in the India to detect that. Our Indian universities and laboratories lacks that of that type of the instruments and tools that are not given by the government or that are not produced by any researcher organization in India. So already that are used by the foreign universities in the research. Means what they are doing, they are mimicking the research of the Ayurvedas and Puranas, four Vedas of ancient Indian literature, towards the pure sciences, and they are getting the Nobel Prize. Means its all origin is based in our Indian literature. Because what is mentioned in our literature, Indian literature, old literatures, galaxy or Brahmand, universe, or that is Mahavishnu energy. Because in our Purana said that energy is Shiva, matter is Brahma, and time travel is nothing but the Vishnu, that divine God. It is the main supreme power of the universe that travels that all that matter and energy towards the yugas, Mahayugas. And in the foreign literature science, that is mentioned as a psi is a function of x and t. Every particle and matter is moving with a distance x with time travel. The two variables are there for wave function of the particle, that is x and t, and that is associated with energy, quantum, or that is the main source of energy, Vishnu, Mahavishnu. That is correlation of the Vedas and science, because E is equal to h nu is proportional to psi frequency of that quantum. It means God particle that is invented just in the modern research related to Higgs boson particle. It is nothing but the energy string, because in our Purana said that energy string mates the particles and acquires the energy that gets the organs or that make become the life. So particle matter relation is given in our Puranas. That is now modern science invented that as a Big Bang theory, particle get forms, and that forms get energies and destroys. Cycle is there, Big Bang cycle. That is already mentioned in our Puranas. Means Nobel Prize research are based, whatever research science in the science that are based on the our Puranas. That are the Purana are the great sources of knowledge. So we have to elaborate that in terms of science, because that hidden knowledge we have to elaborate it with instrumental techniques to this scientific field. That is the need of the present era of the research in the science. That is my conclusion for this explanation.